will teach you how to create a project by using Etap. So this is a professional tool or a professional software. Many engineers are using this software at large scale industries to design power system analysis, power system designing, and other many tools, and other many designing. So my today's video is merely based on the creation of a new project by using a MATLAB. So let's start. First one, you can create a project in two ways. The first way is too much simple. Just you have to tap on this new icon. Then if you will click over here, method is tap on this icon file. If you will tap on file, then here options will be appear on your screen. The very first option is new project. Then you have to tap on the new project here. If you will tap on the new project, then here you can write down any name. It is not required to write down any specific name. You can write down any name. Let's say 123 q I have written here. Then I will tap on this icon or this button plus OK. Then if I will tap on, then here you can username means you can write down your name or anything else. So here it is the laptop's name. My laptop name HP. So you can change according to your condition, according to your will. So you can write down your email full name here. Then just do not require to fill these three blanks: description, full name, email. So first when you tap, then I will tap on this. Then here final you have to select this one, project master and editor. Then after you will press on OK. Then here this interface will appear on the screen. So then you have to click on this. Then this is your workplace area on Etap, where you will bring components. For example, this is this is bus dog, this is bus, this is pointer, etc, extra. Just you have to drag this component. This is bus bar. You can drag here and you can create projects, and you can design projects according to your condition. So my today's video was based on just how to create a project on Etap. So I will make many videos related to Etap. My channel is based on electrical uh, engineering and tech skills. So here I believe in concept, and I will make and conceptual I will make a conceptual videos about each and everything, you know. So please subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more interesting videos. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.